Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's time to prep the stern and cut some Coosa. So the guy is piecing this template together that he made earlier, where he left it in the rain and it fell apart. So he's gonna put it together proper and not leave it in the rain again.
Getting serious with our hot glue guns. A couple of weeks ago, when I made this transom template the first time, it got wet, so it fell apart. So putting it back together now, and gonna make it a little more detailed as well. Gonna add more, I don't know what you call them, sticky pieces to mark the shape. You'll see. More of these, so you can be more exact. This one lives up to the name Hot Glue Gun, unlike the last one. That was a cool glue gun. Ah! Get out of here. Here we are. Pretty much doubled the amount of these little nubs we had. Help us stay more accurate. Top and bottom. So I'm going to cut out the keyholes in the transom and cut out the first layer of Coosa and test fit it. Let's get to it.
Another hole in the boat. Yay! Time to double the damage.
Time to cut some Coosa. Yeah, so for a while we've been contemplating whether we should use plywood because it's affordable, or we should go Coosa because it's pretty much will last forever. And the determining factor was actually cost. A sheet of a sheet of 3/4 Coosa, if I purchase it locally, it would cost almost $800. It's more like $760, $780 a sheet. Yeah. One of our viewers named Dimitri recommended a supplier in Florida called Merit, and we were able to purchase 4 sheets of Coosa, 3/4 inch, and bring them in. We also purchased a 50-yard roll of 1708, and I think it's like a 80-yard roll of chopped strand, so we don't have to go scrapping for cloth anymore. So we templated out the standard hull, marked it out on first sheet of Coosa, getting ready to cut it out using a jigsaw. And we're using these carbide tip blades, which Andy recommended. He said these are the best things for cutting Coosa. They last the longest. So I hope he's right. I trust him. Let's get to it. Well, I just gave myself another little project. Oops. Text. I don't even think the wife will notice.